channel. Today we are going to be baking with our mom. What are you doing with your parents at home? Leave in the comments right below.
So here we have our dry ingredients and we have some of our wet ingredients. So here, what do we have? How many cups of flour do we have? We have flour, we have chocolate cake, chocolate powder, we have what else? We have sugar, we have baking soda, and baking
powder.
Yes, and this, you know when I put it. This is cinnamon. Yes, we have salt. Yes, we have salt. So this is Sophie. What do you have to say?
A cake.
It's a cake, yes. So we're going to be mixing. We're going to use this bowl to be mixing this particular cake. We already have. Yes, this is what.
Egg.
How many eggs are here?
4.
Yeah, we have 4 eggs. So no egg yolk. We have 4 eggs already. So this is our buttermilk. We added vinegar into this milk, liquid milk, and this is. We're going to be using this flavor, and we have our oil. So please stay tuned.
Yeah. Wow.
So we're going to be mixing. Hey, she wants to mix it. Mix it. No, leave that one there.
I have a mix.
Mix it. Give her this small.
I'm gonna have the big one.
Yes, easy. Mix it gently. Very good. Okay, let's get the coffee. Okay. 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 So now we are mixing. We make this thing. I'm gonna wait. Zion, please put the egg.
No.
Hey.
You need to be careful.
Yeah, put everything. Put everything. Let me take it from here. Oh, wait. Wait, you can make it.
It's chocolate.
It is like chocolate.
Okay. Wait,
When you're pouring it.
Sorry.
Dude.
Yes.
Wow.
Wait.
So good.
You can perceive it, right?
Yes. I'm not perceiving it.
It's too hot.
Chocolate piece.
So guys, so this is the chocolate
Please.
cake that is not even finished yet.
Chocolate too. No.
Mama, please wait.
No.
Wait.
Chocolate too.
Chocolate to whom?
Wow.
Wow, chocolate. Yes. Wow, so good.
Yes. So get the cake pan.
Can I have the...
So we already buttered. Wait, let me put this on. See? No, wait. So keep them down. We already buttered this, the pans.
Okay.
So we're going to.
No.
Excuse me.
Mama, wait. Easy.
Chocolate!
So yummy.
Chocolate is food to wash your hair.
So we are going to bake it in 2 pans. Doesn't matter. Let's just do it. Don't worry, to spread.
Until God has given us the power to spread it.
Touching.
See, God has given us the power to spread it.
Yeah.
Mommy, I'm going to make food. Yes, I'm going to make the mixer. I'm going to. It baked for 25 minutes.
And
so
it
it
is
is ready! Yay!
So it's ready now, but it's
So
still
we're
hot.
going to let it cool for a minute.
We're going to let it cool, then we'll come back and taste our and cut our cake so you can see how moist it is.
Yay!
Sophie, you want to do your oh yeah, do your own. Easy, it's hot.
Hello.
Okay.
I got together.
Okay. Don't mind, Miss. So we've already transferred the cake to this plate. So see how it is. So let's see. Ooh, it's still hot. Wow.
It's an 8.
Wow.
Wow.
See, it's so soft.
I love to do this cake.
See, the cake is so soft.
Yes, I like to eat it.
We
Wow.
did it right, honestly.
We did
I
it very
just-
well.
Yes, I hope it tastes good.
It will taste good. And
It's so crumbly on top.
yeah.
And so fluffy.
See, we did the right ingredients.
Yay!
Guys. So if you like, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Bye.
I never see it.
Wow, mommy, this cake is so moist. Very moist. Mommy, no say she.
Mama, no.
See the cake.
Yes, take your cake. Take your chocolate cake.
Okay. A cake is decided to love one chocolate to
We enjoyed our day baking with our mom.
No!
We hope you
Today to the chocolate to the day. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.
Bye.